Hello, 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 hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Yeah. This is the last fundamental only. Once you are good at what today class, then we are installation we are telling. Why? Because before we are installing some enterprise edition, express edition, some users knowledge is required. Otherwise, your loading also you are not understandable. That purpose. Okay. Yes. Before we are going to start that original okay, software load, downloading, and all these things. So what I am telling in a previous classes is in as purpose. Whenever if any user connect to the where performing operation on the Oracle database, two-step process, first connect and then communication. Connect step through, I'm telling only some query tools. One of the your vocation of here, yes, default tool is SQL plus tool. You are not required to load that tool only. Once we are installing a Oracle software, automatically the tool is available. Yesterday, some demo also I'm telling commit and roll back through. Yes, in that tool through how they are connect to the server. In a server only hard disk is there, memory is there. Some stories I'm telling because that knowledge is helpful in a future. Now you are observed here. Once we are installing a Oracle software, automatically SQL plus tool is there. How we are opening a what this tool only. A start programs Oracle means direct Oracle. Okay, so now here a DB home SQL plus. Everyone knows. Otherwise, olden days prior to Oracle 19C means 10G, 11G, 12C, 9I, these type of things means application development extra tab is there. In that one SQL plus up to this one we are discussing a what in a very previous class. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now concentrate. Now concentrate. Suppose you are installing a Oracle software. Observe here, very interesting here. That's why yesterday I'm not telling this one. Now here, check it out. Concentrate here. We are starting a where once we are installing a Oracle software. Once you are installing a Oracle software, screen observe it here in a start here Oracle DB19 means 19, 21 means 21. Here this one is there Oracle ORA DB19 home. Okay, for example, something is there. This tab is there, Oracle tab is there. Okay, fine. Here 19C means we are clicking this one automatically. SQL plus observe here SQL plus automatically one tool is there or not? This is a tool. This is a client tool daily. Through this tool only we are connected to the very internal server. Okay, fine. Now I'm opening. Observe here. Start. Again I'm repeating. Observe here. This Oracle. Here SQL plus. I'm opening only. Okay, fine. Yes, SQL plus tool. But unfortunately, in every database, and now here, yes, here. Now check it out. In every database in the worldwide, whenever anybody, I am also, you are also employees connect to the where database server, compulsory username and password is required. This is a database nature. Now, what is the default username? Anybody guess it? What is the default username? Suppose you are installing a Oracle software in your system. Now we are opening a what? Yes, here your SQL plus tool, for example, in a feature. Now, what is the default username? Anybody having idea? Very good. One fellow is telling a what? What is the default username? Scott is a default username. And now your password is what? Anybody? Guess it. What is the password? Very good. One fellow is telling a what? Murli sir, Tiger maybe I think. Now yes, very good. Here, Tiger is a password. So many fellows are telling only. But unfortunately, this is absolutely wrong one. Default username is not a Scott. Default username is not a Scott only, but a Scott. Why in our students also they are telling me is maybe reason is there. What is the reason behind that one means? Scott is a one of the extra user, popular user. Maybe students are first time newcomer, well-known persons in a Scott user, I think. Okay, in academic career side who are working in a where in a little bit of knowledge in a Oracle software side, maybe Scott user through they are telling, I think. That's why Scott is an extra user also. That is a popular user. That's why our students are telling what Scott user is a default user. But Scott is not a default user. Scott is extra user. Why Scott is popular means in a Scott user only predefined tables are there. Maybe EMP, DEPT, SAL grade, some EMP, DEPT tables I'm showing without any knowledge also. Those tables are available in a where? Scott user only. Those Scott schema tables are popular tables. Those tables through only interview asking interview question. That's why maybe So many fellows are very good knowledge in a way, Scott user only. But unfortunately, Scott is not a default username. Scott is not a default username. Whenever you are typing a word Scott means it won't work. So now here, yes, Scott is extra user. Okay, fine. But what is the default user means? Yes, very, very, very important. What is the default username? This error. Now, what is the default username? Very, very, very important. Anybody have an idea? What is the default username? Very good. One fellow is telling a what? Yes, here, now here. Yes, default username is system. Very good, correct. How can I set all the things? I will tell you. Don't worry. Now here, system. Installation time, which one I will tell you. Don't worry. System is a default username. Password is what? A manager. It is password is not visible. Yes. This is a what? So now Oracle database 19C. It will be displayed or not? Yes, here. System is a username. So now here, if you want to view user means show space user, then automatically system user. But what is this one? Why is everyone very good knowledge in a Scott user, but yet nobody telling a what system user is a what a default user also means. The reason is there. Actually, these all the things you are understandable means some other knowledge is required. How you are given the guarantee Scott is not a default user means reason is there. Suppose your friend also, you are also learning Oracle courses, for example, your friend system laptop is there, your laptop is there, for example, your friend is installing a what Oracle software, maybe their friends only, they are giving a what Oracle software, for example. Whenever they are installing, you are also, your another friends only giving a what Oracle software, you are also installing a what Oracle software, okay, fine. In this one, once installing means, yes, your username, password, it will be asking. In that case, default username, your friend giving a what? So now Scott is a what? A username and password is a what? A tiger. Yes, here, yes, they are giving only. Yes, it is working. For example, this is working. But unfortunately, in your system, your software side, username, Scott, you are giving. So now here, yes, password is a what? A tiger, you are typing only, it won't work. What is this one? Some systems only, some softwares only, Oracle softwares are Scott user is working. Some softwares are Scott user not working. That's why Scott is not a default user. All the software side is not working. But which software side it is not working, which software side it is working, how you are knowing means some other concept is there. What is that one means? Some editions are there in a Oracle software, either 19C, either 18C, either 21C, either 10G, either 11G. Two editions are there. Editions. Editions is another concept you are familiar today. In those editions, Express edition, Standard edition, Enterprise edition, so many editions are there. In Enterprise edition, is a software is there. In that one only, extra user is a Scott user, extra user is a HR user. But Express edition side, the Scott user is not working. Any user, any editions also, either Express edition, either Enterprise edition, system user is working. How you are understandable, these all the things I will tell you. That's why now suppose here in a future, you are downloading a what software. Concentrate here. Oracle software downloads, for example. In a future, I will tell you. And now here Oracle softwares are there here. Database. Here observe it here. Here screen observe it. Anybody observe it here? Oracle Enterprise Edition is a software is there. Oracle Express Edition is a software is there. Either in Enterprise Edition or in Express Edition, you are downloading also. System is a username. Password is what? Manager default. You are changing a password also in a future. But unfortunately, in Enterprise Edition is a software is there. In that one only, yes, here Scott is the extra user. HR is the extra users are available in where in Enterprise Edition software. Scott user through we are downloading a what a predefined tables that is Scott, okay, EMP, DPT, those tables only. Some other concepts are there in Enterprise Edition. But Express Edition side only system user is working. Scott user is not working. That's why these editions of knowledge is there. Then also you are downloading and installing and users also you are giving. That's why always whenever we are installing a Oracle 19C or 10G or 11G or 20C, any edition also not a problem. Okay, any edition also not a problem. Why I am telling means yes, you are experienced person means any edition, but fresher level newcomer means Enterprise edition. I will tell you. Don't worry. Why? Because Enterprise edition today so many things are there. Scott user is extra user. HR user is extra user. Suppose here you are installing a Oracle 19C software or 10G or 11G 12C. Any software also by default username is what? System, and password is what? Manager. By default username is what? System, and password is what? Manager. Yes, here these all the things we are learning about editions through we are learning what is Express edition, what is Enterprise edition, in which edition which users are there. Those all the things today you are understandable. Then only in installation side which username we are giving I will tell you. Write it. Username, write it. Yesterday 10G, 11G, 12C, this you have an idea? Not username, default username, this one. System, password is manager. Now write it. Write some theory. Already this navigation yesterday you have an idea. After that one, username, system, and password is manager. Something, write it. We are changing. What is these? All the things we are learning to do. And now write it. Some theory, write it. Every Oracle version. Every Oracle version having two editions. Sorry, following editions. 4 editions are there, but 2 are most powerful outside. Every Oracle version, either 10G, either 11G, either 12C, either 19C, like this. Every Oracle version having following editions. These are first one Express edition, second one Enterprise edition. First one Express edition, second one Enterprise edition. Every Oracle version having following editions. These are first one Express edition, second one Enterprise edition. Write it some theory. In these two editions, by default username is system. In these two editions, by default username is system and password is manager. In these two editions, default username is system and password is manager. Manager password you are changing, don't worry. We are learning. In installation side, I am telling, don't worry. In these two editions, by default username is system and password is manager. Side editing, one by one editions we are telling, then users understandable. Enterprise edition only, extra edition. In that enterprise edition only, extra users are there, spot user, HR user, don't worry. But you are downloading a what? Enterprise edition in our class side. Okay. First one, Express edition. Write it, side editing. Express edition. What is this Express edition means? Concentrate here. Suppose some Java developers are downloading a what? Express edition. Through this edition also they are practicing. But I am not preferring Express editions. Only I am preferring a what? Enterprise edition. Not only Scott user purpose. Some other concepts are there. What is that one means? Now I am telling. Really, what is this Express edition or what is this Enterprise edition? Enterprise edition is the original editions, either in SQL Server, either in Oracle, either in MySQL, anywhere also. But what is this Express edition? Observe here, slowly observe here. Oracle Corporation also, if you want to interested to download a what Oracle software means, 2 editions they are giving only here, Express edition and Enterprise edition. In our class, you are downloading a what? Enterprise edition in a tomorrow or day after tomorrow, like that's only we are ready. In Enterprise edition, I will tell you. In Express edition, I am not preferring. Why? Because reason is there. Now here, now check it out. What is these editions? Why they are giving a Oracle Corporation means I will tell you now. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Now slowly observe it here. Concentrate. Suppose you are a first time newcomer. Business side, I am telling first. That is better because the technical concepts up to now you don't have. Suppose you are a Java programmer, not a Oracle programmer. For example, company side, not outside. In a company, one company you are working only. In your company only, you are a Java programmer. You are working in a Java projects, for example. Java, PHP, .NET, Python. These programmers also using a backend is a what? Data space storing purpose, databases they are using only in a company side also. Suppose Java means JDBC project side, okay, database is required. Same like your .NET means JDO.NET side, database is required. For example, in your company, you are working in a Java side only project side, not a database, Java. But you are you are working in a web-based application. In that case, our JDBC applications, in that case, database is required. But unfortunately, your Java team using a what? A database only. Okay, for example, database data. Okay, for example, in their project side. Now, whenever they want to use a what in a backend is a database means, suppose for example, your client is recommendable Oracle, for example. Yes, use a Oracle software for data storing purpose. They're asking. Okay, fine. That's why based on the client requirement, you are also choosing a what? Your team is choosing a what? Oracle is a backend. Okay, fine. Oracle software. But unfortunately, okay, you are mentally decided you are working in a where in a project side, a Java project side means backend we are using in a where you are okay. So now your project side backend is Oracle. They are decided higher management team. But unfortunately, in this Java project side, higher management level in a company side, those persons are ready to purchase a what? Oracle software, Oracle database software. But for original software, we are downloading a pirated software, but okay, original software they want to purchase. Whenever they want to purchase the original software, they are go to where? Oracle Corporation. Their higher authority persons are there. In that one, Oracle Corporation, they are contacting only vendors. Now your Oracle Corporation. But unfortunately, they are going to where Oracle Corporation for dealing a what, for purchasing a what, Oracle software also for backend this occasion Java projects purpose. But Oracle Corporation, higher authority persons, okay, they are telling a what is that one? Those business persons are telling. Oracle database means two types of products are there in our occasion Oracle Corporation. One is what? Express edition is available. Which edition you want? They're asking only. Express edition is available. Another one is what? Enterprise edition is available. But unfortunately, this Java developers, higher authority team, which edition they are purchasing, ready to purchase means 100% Express edition only they are purchasing. Why? Because Express edition cost is very low compared to where Enterprise editions in any database software also. Why? Because Enterprise edition supports a what? All the Oracle features. But Express edition does not support all Oracle features. But unfortunately, cost based only, cost is very low only. Crores of rupees are different. Cost also very important in the original software side. Cost is very low only. Why? Because Express edition does not support all Oracle features. But unfortunately, this Java, .NET, Python, these type of projects, their development side only. Yes, all the features are not required. Some features are enough in a database. That's why they are not interested to purchase a what? Enterprise edition. Because based on the cost only. In this Express edition, what is the problem in a learners means system user only working. Predefined tables are not available. Again, this Oracle, this Express edition does not support all the Oracle features. It does not support. Suppose recycle bin is a concept is there, that is not supported by the where Express edition only. But only one user is there. System is a user. Another thing, system is a user is there. Don't worry. And now here, yes, here system is a user is there. Oracle predefined tables are not there, but cost is very low compared to where Enterprise edition, because it does not support all the Oracle features. That's why Java, .NET, Python, in a front-end development side, front-end application development side, original softwares, they are purchasing a what? Express editions. But in our class, we are not dealing with the what? Express editions. I'm not interested in Express edition because you are a database programmer means son of your yes, so all the features better to learn only. That's why always Enterprise edition I'm preferring only. But just observe here, write it some theory only. Express edition. Side edit, express edition. Write it first. In Oracle, express edition does not support express edition does not support all Oracle features. Features means concepts, features. All Oracle features. Suppose you are a first time newcomer. What is Oracle features? You don't have an idea. But for example, just observe it here. This is enterprise edition. My software is enterprise edition. This is a table is there. Don't write it. Just observe. 1 minute only. I'm dropping this table, removing. Okay, fine. In a future, you are also removing the water like this. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello. Now, can you hear me? Hello. Yes, power is gone here. Okay, some network problem. Again, they are giving a connection, no problem. And now here, now it is audible? Yes. And now observe it here. This is a table I'm creating only. Okay, don't write it. Just I am creating a table. I'm removing the table. Don't worry. In a future, you are also removing the table. But if you want to remove the water table in enterprise edition software side, one beautiful concept is there. Recycle bin, same like a Windows recycle bin only. Recycle bin is a concept is there. Show recycle bin. And now here, yes, here in this recycle bin only. And now here, yes, here that dropped table is available. Again, we are getting back the tables by using a what. Okay, so now here we are learning a what, some other concept only. What is that one means? So now here flashback table is there. Observe here. For example, in a future practically we are learning. And now here check it out. Windows recycle bin is there. This is a Windows recycle bin is there. Suppose here one document is there. For example, and now here 9 is a document. Now this is I am deleting only. Whenever I'm deleting, I want this document automatically that is available in a where? In a recycle bin. In a recycle bin that is available. This is a recycle bin only that is available. I want to get it back from the recycle bin means right click restore we are using. That is same like in enterprise editions in a feature in a where extra users are there, squad users, some users are there. In that one, yes, each are users, squad user side here. Yes, same like a restore flashback table. We are using only command. Through this one, we are getting back the table possible. That's why these type of extra advantages are there in aware in enterprise editions. But these all the things are not there in aware in Express editions. In Express editions, these concepts are not available. Suppose in a feature, you are good at what? Spot users you are learning. Okay, alter user. For example, here in a feature, Express editions are there. For example, okay, fine. Suppose here, don't write it. Connect, spot, and tiger like. Okay. These are enterprise editions. Don't write it. Just observe here. These concepts are not there in aware in Express editions. Right? That's why we are not preferring a what. Here, this is an enterprise edition. In a feature, you are downloading a what enterprise editions. I will tell you. Okay. In enterprise edition side, extra users are available. Spot, HR, users are there. Okay, fine. In these users, suppose here I'm creating a what some tables. Okay, fine. Now this is a table is there. Don't write it. Just the enterprise edition. Okay. Now here, yes, here this is a table is there. For example, this is a table is there. For example, so many tables are there. Now here, this is a table is there, for example. Now here, yes, here. Now in this table, I try to drop this table. Drop table, don't write it. Don't just, these all things you don't have an idea. Now here, yes, here. Now I'm dropping this table. Yes, once we are dropping the table that is stored in aware, recycle bin is a concept is there in enterprise edition. Subject here, in a recycle bin is there. In this one, this table is there or not? We can get it back these tables possible by using a what flashback, some command is there. These type of so many features are available in aware in your enterprise editions. Not only this one, yeah, recycle bin, so many concepts are there. But unfortunately, up to today, you don't have an idea Oracle. Okay, those all the things. Flashback table is there. Same like a restore. And now here, yes, here like this only, we are typing a what like this. Yes, the table is available or not. That's why always here Express edition is a software is there in that one. It does not support all Oracle features. So many Oracle features, same like a recycle bin, some other concepts, so many concepts are there that is not supported by the where Express edition. But not a problem. Why? Because Java, .NET, Python, these type of programmers, all the features are not required really. Those persons are, yes, here purchasing a what? Yes, here these type of softwares only. So now here in this one, okay, learners are not preferring only. Suppose you are a Oracle programmer, you are learning a what interested, then better to go for enterprise edition. Why? Because Express edition, yes, these type of so many concepts are not supported. That's why in Oracle Express edition does not support all Oracle features. Okay, now example, right? So many features are there. Example, first time newcomer purpose, at least recycle bin means same like a Windows recycle bin is there. No? It does not support, right? Recycle bin, same like a Windows recycle bin. Okay, recycle bin is not available. Is not available. Recycle bin is not available in Express edition. In Express edition. Next paragraph. Express edition, only one user is there, system user is there, but predefined tables are not available, right? Express edition, first write it. Express edition does not have any predefined tables. Practice tables are not there, predefined tables. Express edition, write it. Express edition having only one user, system user only available. Okay, this also some user is there later, only one user system. But what is the purpose is Express edition means so many Java developers, .NET developers, this software they are downloading from the net only. Okay, pirated software also. Why? Because cost is not important, no, in those persons point of view. Yes, here it does not support all the features also, not a problem. Okay, fine, because those persons are using a what less features. That's why. That's why generally Express editions are used in developing client application. Client with Java, .NET, Python, these type of backend is there. No? Those persons only use it. Okay, now fine. But unfortunately, nowadays those persons also using a what enterprise editions in a practice purpose because all the features are there, right? Generally, Express editions are used in developing client applications. Developing client applications. That is this edition. This edition is used to connect client applications like Java, Python, PHP, .NET, like so many applications are there. So many front-end applications. Compared to enterprise edition, Express edition cost is very low. That's why in the olden days, maybe 10G, 11G, some fellows are learning means in those days, only Express edition software only they are giving download, free software. Enterprise edition cost only, trial software also, some amount they are asking Oracle Corporation. But nowadays, enterprise edition, Express edition, both editions also, they are giving in a net only free trial softwares, not a problem nowadays. And now here, write it. Original software side I am telling first. Write it. Compared to, next pair, write it. Compared to enterprise editions, Express edition cost is very low. But you are a learner means now you are a Java.NET programmer also, better to download a what enterprise edition. I am not preferring Express edition. Okay, project side maybe Java.NET preferring what those persons are preferring also. Yes, I am not preferring a what Express edition. I am preferring a what always learner also enterprise edition. Why? Because there is a original software. For free software they are giving enterprise edition in a net only nowadays also. That's why enterprise edition chances are there. Enterprise edition only better to load it. Why? Because all the Oracle features are there. That's why there is no problem. More features you are learning means there is an advantage actually compared to where Express edition. But original software side cost is very high. In enterprise edition, what is the advantage? Suppose I am a learner, you are a learner, first time newcomer, we are learning means in enterprise edition, extra users are there. Suppose here in enterprise edition, Scott is a user, extra user is there. Maybe so many fellows are Scott schema, some tables they are familiar. Okay, fine. Yes, yeah. These all the tables are available. Easy way they are learning. And also entry questions also. These table based only entry questions are there. That's the advantage. That's why learner always learning what chances are there means enterprise editions only they are downloading only. In a company side also main projects, either Oracle projects, either data warehousing projects, either ETL tool projects, so there is Oracle apps, these all the occasion of your database, occasion of your Oracle related project side, enterprise editions only they are purchasing in a different companies because they want all the Oracle features. But learner also better to download a what enterprise edition. That's why next only install software installation I will tell you. Okay, one of these days only after setting an environment. Oracle 19C installation, I will tell you. In that class only, I am downloading a what? Only enterprise edition. Observe here, enterprise edition software is there. Which edition you have to select it, I will tell you. Which password, which confirm password, what is that one? Those all the things I will tell you after this concepts installation. I will tell you. In that one, yes, you are better to download a what? Enterprise edition. I am referring a what? Enterprise edition. Okay, na? Yes, here, write it. But because the expression only system user is there, predefined tables are not there. That's why learners also less concepts they are learning. That is a problem. Write it. Side heading Enterprise Edition. These are original editions. Enterprise Edition. Because these editions are available also, nobody knows. That's one. That's a problem. That's why just terminology understandable purpose. Something I'm typing on. Enterprise Edition. Yes, okay, don't worry. Nowadays, these softwares are free of cost. But olden days, maybe 10G, 11G, those type of side enterprise editions, they are not giving in a net only because they Oracle Corporation asking a money. But nowadays, maybe what is the reason we don't know. So now here, yes, nowadays they are giving a what free softwares. But okay, this is practice purpose, not a original softwares. They are not giving. And now trial softwares only. Okay, whenever expiry date means, then we are changing our system date. There is better know ever software like that or not. Yes, yeah. That's why in the next only we are downloading. Okay, so now here, yes, here. Suppose here in a where you are downloading. How can I miss? I will tell you one of these days next classes side only. Here software downloads are there. In that one nowadays, now presently, here database option is there. Here observe here. Express edition also they are giving, enterprise edition also they are giving, enterprise edition or standard edition, enterprise edition also they are giving, express edition also they are giving. Your own wish. But I am preferring a what enterprise edition. In this Windows side only, how we are downloading, what is that one, what are the steps are there, all the things I will tell you. Okay, yes, that is the next installation, not a problem. Because some knowledge is required now, that's why we are not telling up to now. Write it enterprise edition. Some theory, write it. Enterprise editions. Enterprise edition supports all Oracle features. All Oracle features. But original software side cost is very high. But our trial software side means not a problem. Okay, na? Original software cost is very high because all these features it will be support, right? Enterprise edition. Enterprise edition. Cost is very high. Cost is very high. Cost is very high compared to express edition. Business side, okay, this one. Okay, na? What is the learner advantage means enterprise edition having extra users are there. Suppose here this is enterprise edition software. Okay, fine. Here this is our class enterprise edition software. I'm downloading only. You are also downloading. In that one, so many users are there. Don't write it, just observe. Here, so many users are there. Username, passwords, encrypted form. So many things are there. Just observe it. Username, so many users are there or not. Observe it here. Here, Scott is an extra user is available or not in enterprise edition. Here, HR is a what a user is there. Here, HR user also popular user, but Spot user is a more popular. HR is an extra user is available. Again, system user also there. Sys user. Sys and system is common in every son of here Oracle, either express edition, either enterprise edition, anywhere. But here, extra user is what? Son of here Scott user is available on only enterprise edition. In a HR user is available in a where enterprise edition. Yes, so who are okay? So now in a where project side, who are the persons are? Yes, you are purchasing a what enterprise edition. Means suppose I am working in a where PLSQL developer, pure Oracle projects. These persons are okay, so higher authority team purchasing a what only enterprise edition because these persons are okay, so now here work with the what all Oracle features. Some features not supporting means there is a problem because pure database projects. Suppose Oracle Apps ERP is there, those persons are purchasing a what enterprise editions. ETL tool, data warehousing application programmers, reporting programmers, yes, here OBA developers. These all the persons are the pure database projects means They are purchasing a what? Enterprise edition. Enterprise edition supports all the features in and SQL Server also. Enterprise editions are available. Write it. Enterprise edition. Write it. Enterprise edition also provided extra users like Scott, HR. Scott, HR users. Scott, HR. These are extra users are available. Scott user, like it. Scott user, extra user, this one. Scott user having following predefined tables. These are, anybody have an idea? EMP is a table is there. DEPT is a table is there. Predefined table. These are popular tables. Sal grade is a table is there. Bonus is a table is there. These are predefined tables. Spot user. Spot is an extra user is there. These are predefined tables are available. That is the advantage. In a 10G enterprise edition, 11G enterprise edition, 12C enterprise edition, 19C enterprise edition also, spot user popular tables. These tables are more popular. Suppose in my system, so now here enterprise edition, in this enterprise edition, extra users are available. In a future, spot user, those are all the things I will tell you. How can I okay, spot user is there. This is a show user, extra user, this one. In this one, predefined tables are available. Okay, fine. DEPT is a table. Yes, I am not creating this table. Oracle Corporation giving only these predefined tables. We are setting environment in a future. Next only I will tell you. Once you are good at what environment, one of the stage observed here, select star from EMP. This table is available or not? In Express Edition, these tables are not there, predefined tables. That's why learners also better to learn a what through these predefined tables, very easily understandable. Fastly they are understandable. Because without any technical knowledge, also understandable. That's why this popular enterprise edition, Scott user. Otherwise, Scott user tables are there in a way. Screen observe it. Demo bld.sql in a net also. Yes, these tables are available. Observe here. These are the predefined tables are there. Observe here. These are Scott schema tables. In a net also, these tables are available. So now here, these tables you are downloading also not a problem. So now here is in Express Edition. That's why always enterprise edition means popular edition and also in a original edition in a where in a company side also. But in that edition, better to download a what our class outside students also better to download a what enterprise edition. I will tell you how can I download. Yes, in this enterprise edition, the extra user Spot HR, some users are there in a Spot user. Yes, these are the tables are available. Okay, now what is the default username in Spot? Okay, so now password is what is that one? So now what are the predefined tables are there? I will tell you. Write a note. Scott is an extra user. Spot is extra user available in enterprise edition. Enterprise edition. Here, username is Scott and password is Tiger. We are changing the password also. Password is Tiger. Oracle Corporation giving password is Tiger. Okay. Now here next only one of the stage you are changing a what passwords also alter username. Don't write it. Identified on one of the stages by password. Yes, suppose ABC like this only you are changing your passwords and all these things we are changing also. How can I miss? I will tell you. Don't worry. So now yes, first time means you don't have an idea. These are all the things. In installation up to now you don't have an idea. No. In installation time, which passwords you are using, which usernames you are using, then how can I change those all the things I will tell you. That is what. That's why before we are starting a what installation, what I am suggesting only. Oh yeah, whenever we are installing a Oracle software, don't afraid only. System is a default username either in Express Edition, either in Enterprise Edition. System is a default username is there. But unfortunately, better to download a what Enterprise Edition. In Enterprise Edition, because learners also better to load a what Enterprise Edition. Why? Because Enterprise Edition side, yes, all features also supported by Oracle Corporation, but not only that one. Yes, in Enterprise Edition, having extra users are there, Scott, HR, these users. In a Scott user, popular tables are available. Through the tables, very easily you are handling a what understandable database, Oracle database. So, up to this one is enough. Then Enterprise Edition settings are there, environment settings are there. Once we are telling about settings, then I am telling about installation. Once installation finished means all the things are very easy. Okay, some settings are there. After that one, this installation process I am telling only. Enterprise Edition only we are installing only. Yes, once we are installing which passwords we are giving, those all the things I will tell you. In a OpenSQL plus which user, Scott user, how can I, how we are changing, those all the things I will tell you. Then you are understandable all the things very easy. Okay, yes. Up to this one is enough in a way today. Tomorrow remaining concepts I will tell. Okay, na? Slowly, because first time no, up to installation, just observe it. Okay, na? These all the things are available in a PDF form. Don't worry. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you. Remaining. Thank you. Tomorrow I'll continue. Up to installation, just roughly some names on. Once installing means you are only daily, you are only okay, so not telling all the things. PDF in a management only they're sending. Okay, no, don't worry. Those persons only take care. Today festival, no? Yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you. Remember. Thank you. Tomorrow continue.